Hi viewers, welcome back to my another video. I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. Today I will show you a very beautiful flower top made with plastic bottle. First I will paint pink twice in a plastic bottle. I used wall paint. I will cut some flower petals with a noodles bottle. Next, I cut some leaves with a green bottle. Now I light a candle and gently heat all the leaves and flower petals into it. Once the paint is dry on the bottle, I will thread a thick nylon rope around the top of the bottle. Now I make a small ball with the rope and attach it. Now I am attaching the cut flower petals one by one through the round thread. First I will attach the small petals and then attach the big flower petals. When all the petals are attached, now I am attaching the leaves. I will attach all of them with super glue. Finished making my flower top. You can plant any plant here. Comment how you like the video and flower top. If you like it, like, comment and subscribe. Stay well everyone. I will come again with the next video. Tata.